about how do you want to decorate it, because you must also remember it must last for your movement for the next two hours each, because if not later all the decoration will be just on the box itself. So you might want to come up with some innovative ideas, because this is a time where all of us are in the creative line, media, in all the arrangements. So think out the box how you want to do it. That will be fascinating. I think that's actually interesting.
Okay.
Yeah. So we have our lovely friends. You might want to wash your hands, rinse your hands, and put your bag here if you like. You also put your bag here. My dear friends, you want to put your bag here?
能播放上去了。啊？这个已经做好了。这个已经好了吗？建成。播放上去了。
Yeah, I think. Okay. So, very shortly, just enjoy them. One thing, okay. So over here, everyone will wear gloves. So just to make sure gloves are okay. Let me just over on the right. Let me pass it to her. So I was just sharing that we probably have to think of out of the box idea how to decorate our croissant. So now may I introduce to you our chef for today, the most important lady over here right now, Wan Xin. She will actually share with us how can we actually prepare our croissant and also prepare the very nice sampling over there. But we're not going to do the same. We can try different ideas. That's the most important. So we can actually, I'll hand over the focus over here.
Thanks, Holly. Okay, so I think Holly did a very nice introduction of our shop. So croissant literally translates to croissant, okay, which means feast for the eyes, which was what inspired our shop. So if you look at the logo on the in front of you, you can see the croissant with the eyes. Okay, so it literally translates to like feast for the eyes lah. Yes. Okay, so for here we do a lot of fun creations for our pastries. So as you can see on the table over there, it's actually a sample of a croissant that we have done up. Okay, it comes, we will serve it to you with a plain one. Okay, and on the table you can see like various decorations. We have like dark chocolate, ruby chocolate, pink one, various toppings. Okay, so what you can do, you can actually use the chocolate, just type drizzles on top. Okay, type drizzles on top and then use the decoration. We have cookies, Oreo, marshmallows, sprinkles. Okay, just do whatever you want. Okay, play with your creativity and decorate it in any way you wish. So my colleague Siraj will be passing the croissant to you.
You guys want to join? Come, we still have a few minutes.
Come, go join. Yeah, go and play with it. It's going to be fun. Yeah, one more? Okay,
Okay, so does someone want to get started? Cool.
Yes, I want to wear gloves.
Yeah. So we cut open the piping bag.
看我都看了，还没有看，还没有看嘞。
You just take note after you cut the chocolate, you have to start sprinkling the toppings on top because the chocolate will start to set. 对，
start to set 了，开始哦。哇。
So you can use your hands to cut the ingredients. So we have like all the sparkles, we have biscuit cookie, we have Oreo cookie.
Again, you want to try? Then. Yeah, so you more six. You just go plus. Yeah, the other person.
Wait for him. Then you should try. Yes. We'll take video of it then. You want to take video?
对，然后冰块中。
Go start.
Thank you so much.
This is what edible gold stars.
Yeah.
Cool.
I think it's sweet.
This is candy.
Candy, right?
Yeah.
Feel like Christmas.
Pistachios? Yeah, actually this would be a very good Christmas activity to do.
Hands-on activity.
Yeah, one indeed.
So in case you guys are wondering, does anybody know what is the inspiration for us to do this? So if you guys know the Magnum ice cream concept, right? So I think in Singapore it has already been phased out, right?
Yeah.
So then we were thinking out of the box, like, okay, how can we have fun, at the same time decorate? So the idea came in, and we used a croissant instead of an ice cream, and it can hold for I think about a day with the chocolate and the sprinkles. So but at the end of the day, it's all about having fun and tasting good too.
Is the pink one ruby chocolate? Pink one, is it ruby chocolate? No, it's ruby chocolate, right?
So just also a quick note, later when you try the croissant, you will also probably notice that it's very buttery, very flaky, very nice, because the butter that they use is also a very special kind of butter. They place a lot of emphasis on premium products itself. So we have the French butter that's actually involved, and even the eggs that they are using is actually new folk eggs itself. So which actually also enhance the taste and the flavor of the croissant itself. So that's the reason why once you step in, you're like, oh, very nice smell, immediately hungry.
I got no concept, right?
For our croissants, we use French butter. Okay, French butter, which explains the very flaky texture, and it remains crispy throughout.
It must look very nice.
I'm thinking of starry, like.
And stick some marshmallows.
Okay guys, I know it came in a bit too late, but I'm gonna make it slightly more fun. So once you guys are done, we're gonna do a vote on who have which design is the best. Okay? And if majority of you guys vote that one particular person, that person will get a box of bakes on us. Okay? So I still have three more empty canvas over here. So if you wanna redo it, feel free.
Working from Canada. Yeah, no, I'm not qualified. They send you the exact invitation, right?
Because it's hot.
Oh.
You want the nuts there?
Yes, I'm for myself. Thank you so much.
More like, 5-year-old kid and like just throw things inside. All of yours look very similar. How do we even judge this? That's why they all so similar. Yeah.
I add
So difficult.
Oh. It's purple. Oh,
It's
I thought
speculoos.
it's purple.
Hola.
Oh, nice. Must be
That's it.
okay.
Always.
Of course.
Any contrasting colors. This is white chocolate.
I can see very nice design. Some very love shape, heart shape over here. A lot of love over here.
Thank you so much.
Is that a smiley face?
Yes, there's an eye. Was so
Oh yes. Very good idea. Just to design in a different way.
Yeah, go on. But the eyelash doesn't look like eyelash.
Very nice little ones over here. We see. So suddenly now all of us are very good bakers, pastry chef. Huh? Yeah. Right now we actually showcase our inner child in us. Yeah.
So cute.
Here's the fun fact about this. This is the first time we are doing this, and this is opening more doors of opportunity for younger ones. So I think somewhere next month we're gonna have the same thing. You know, we are opening up for registration. If you guys want to bring your family, friends, you know, to have fun with this, please do sign up with us.
It's free to attend.
Yes.
Oh, that's a very, very important word. But I think it's more about having fun together. That's also the idea why we wanted to make it a bit special under the Singapore River Festival, because we want to make sure that it's more experimental, more engaging for everyone, because it's very lovely to just bring back home one piece that you have actually innovated and of course designed. So you might want. Do you want me to help you guys to take photos of you and with your very precious creation over here? Yeah. Let me just help you with that. Okay, no need. Oh, because you got a very beautiful sakura flowers. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, video. That's a video.
Oh, yeah, okay.
You want my help? Oh, yeah. Now it's a trademark to have all the very cute one inside. Very important. So just make full use of the ingredients that has been specially prepared for all of us. Yeah. So overwhelm it. Spice it up. That's about life, like having more fun.
Wow. You're also very classy.
Everyone.
What's the eye? On the eye. The star is the eye. Right.
Oh, that's a very nice color. You like the very English rose kind of feeling.
She's the
One more. One, two, and
You want pistachio?
thank you. Oh, what? One more for the video.